Good morning, Comet Room friends. It's Miss Heidi here. Grab your binoculars you made. A mom and a dad, or a family member, brothers and sisters. This activity, nature painting, is for everyone. So I have with me my family member, my son, Brandon. So this ITE that we sent home, nature painting, can cover several different things. We're going on a walk, so that's a physical activity, to go hunt for items to put in a bag or a bucket or a box, anything you would like to gather up your nature. It covers language and colors. You can learn colors from it. Science facts. You get to discover nature. So this is part one. We're going to collect the items we're going to paint with. So the first thing I spy with my little eye, Brandon, I spied this. What is this? Can you tell my Comet Room friends what this is?
What? A stick?
A stick! What color is that stick, friends? What color, Brandon?
Brown.
Brown! Kiss your brain if you said brown. You know the color brown. And we'll put this in our bag. Oh, I found another stick. Look here, friends. Oh, Brandon. What kind of tree does this come from? This is where you... A pine tree. What color are the leaves?
Green.
Green. This is where your older children, for all you older children out here, how you can learn about your science facts and study all about trees. Why the leaves on here, they're green, right? So if you said green, friends, kiss your brains. You know the color green. What kind of leaves are these, Brandon? How do you know it's a pine? They have pine needles on them, he says. The reason why, here's a nice fun fact about a pine tree. The reason why they're called pine needles is because if you look, the leaves are shaped like needles. So, my older children, friends, and students out there who may be watching along with my Comet Room friends, you can look up trees online and find out the different colors and facts about trees. Whoa. So what else can we find to paint with? And you can count the items. So far I have a stick, one, and another stick. Another term for a stick is a branch. And a branch is like on a tree. Can you see the trees in the background, my Comet Room friends? And I have two, so I have 2 items in my bag. 1, 2. If you counted to 2, kiss your brain. You know how to count, my friends. So another item, let's see, I spy with my little eye. Oh, look. What is this, friends? Brandon, what did Mom find?
Flower.
A flower. What color? If you...
White flower.
It's a white flower. If you said white, kiss your brain, you know the color white. And in the middle here, this is yellow. you said yellow, kiss your brain. You got the color yellow right. That's 3 items in my bag. Let's see what else we can find to paint with. And your older kids can study flowers, the different types and colors of them. So what do I have here, friends? What do I have, Brandon?
A gray rock.
Oh, he says a gray rock. If you said rock and gray, kiss your brain, friends. You are right. So something else to paint with. Now here's another study some older friends can do. Miss Heidi has another rock here, and it's a different color. If you said pink, you're right. Kiss your brain. This is a quartz, a pink quartz rock. And there's another study. Look it up online, the older children out there watching. You can study rocks and minerals and learn how those are like in our world. Now, as you are out looking for nature items to use for in your paintings, also look for the different insects and bugs that we're studying this week. See if you can find some. Earlier, Brandon and I were out here and we saw some bugs. And let's see if I can get one on video. Here's one, friends. Did you see him on my tree stump? Can you guess what that is? It's a fly. So Miss Heidi and Brandon found a fly. Wonder what other insects we might find. Do you see any more? Ooh, look there, friends. There's a little baby. If you said ant, kiss your brain. And here's another fly. Oh, he flew away. So as you're looking for your nature items to use for a painting, you can look for your insects as well. See if you can find a spider, an itsy bitsy spider, or a bigsy spider, or a shoo fly, don't bother me, or an ant marching. So in the next video, we're going to take our items in that we collected and we're going to make a painting with them. Have fun exploring. Until next time, we wish you well. Bye, friends.